Hey, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully you're having a great day. So today, guys, I got this in the mail. This is a wireless inflatable pump, and it was sent to me by JoyTutus, who was nice enough to give it to me for my honest review. And as you can see on the packaging, guys, it's good for automobiles, all different kind of footballs, basketballs, rubber duckies, quack quack, and bicycles. So you can inflate anything. But what stands this above and beyond the rest is it's actually an LED screen digital wireless pump. So you don't have to worry about the big cord, you know, that you have to unwind and wrap around and trip over your legs and you're doing hopscotch and you're doing jump rope. No, you don't have to worry about any of that with this. And as you can see, it comes in a very nice case. So it's very portable. Throw it in your trunk or your back seat. It's going to be great in case of emergency. And it is 12 volt, which is standard for most automobiles. It's got a small rechargeable battery. And let me take it out and show you guys everything. All the goodies we got. Let me show you the heavy artillery first, so to speak. So this is what it looks like. Really nice, really clean, stylish, smooth to the touch. You can see at the end here, we have the button, which is going to turn the light on. It actually does come with an LED light, guys, which is pretty cool, emergency. You know, and then you got your two charging ports. So this is going to be your micro SD. That's how you can charge it. And then you also do have the standard cable, which you can plug into your inside your car cigarette lighter, you know, in case you didn't get enough time to charge it. And it only takes 1 hour to fully charge, guys, which is really good. And it holds a charge for 30 minutes. So can't go wrong with that. And again, bikes, automobiles, motorcycles, balls. It says an automobile tire, like 35 PSI, takes only 10 minutes, which isn't bad. And another incredible feature for this, guys, is you can actually preset it for the number you want and then just walk away and it'll do that pounds per square inch and just turn off when it's done. So, I mean, you can't beat that. So let me show you how it looks turned on, and we will do a full demonstration outside. But actually, let me show you where it plugs in too, guys. When you have the pump, I guess I'll start showing the parts here. So here's the, you know, the standard pump you're going to put in your tire there. And you're actually just going to screw it in like so, guys, right in there. So just like that. I mean, that's all it is. And it's a nice short cord. You'll lay it on the ground. You know, you put this in where you need it. You know, there's the release. Very easy, basic, and convenient. Let me show you the other little pieces first too, I guess. So here's the standard if you want to, you know, use it in your automobile cigarette lighter. I don't think people actually call those cigarette lighters anymore, but you know, it's your little power outlet. All right. Okay. And this is your micro SD, you know, standard USB. So that's very convenient. It comes with the cord. Can't beat that. You know, you can even charge it with your cell phone charger, you know, put this in your laptop, you know, standard USB to micro SD. And then we got some different little pins, guys, in this here. It comes with some pins in the goodie bag. So, you know, this is where, you know, you see you got this, the old school one where you can do it, you know, put it in a football, basketball. And they also just have other little ones that you can use it for. Comes in a little goodie bag. And, you know, you got a nice little carrying case, like I said, to keep it in. Great, great, great there. And got basic instructions, guys, just so you know. So you can read all that good stuff if you want as well. Okay, guys, so now let's turn it on. I'll show you what it looks like. You can see it has that nice LED display. Right now it's set for PSI. And what's great about this is it actually has other, you know, measuring standards throughout the world, I guess you could say. So here's the bar measuring. You can also do the kPa, and then you can do kilograms to centimeters. So you have all the different functions and metric systems and all that good stuff for your tires, whether you're in US of A or Italy or Russia or down under, mates. Alright, and then what's great again about this is you can actually set it to where you want. If you want it for 50 pounds per square inch, no, we want to go lower. You just tap it or hold in the button and it goes down. You know, some people will probably want 35. and you would just set it, and then you would just go bye-bye, and then you would come back and it would auto shut off. So that's really a great feature. And again, the old pumps, they would used to have a gauge. It would go back and forth and up and down. Like, you know exactly, the amount you're going to get in with the digital display. So let's demonstrate it outside, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's take this pump and put it to the test. And first, let me check my tire pressure. And this is my Ford Mustang, guys. And let's see what the tire pressure says. 26. So I'm going to want to do this to about 30. Okay, guys, so you just put the pump in like so, as you would know. And something I did notice, guys, like, see how my valve is on the bottom? If the valve was on the top, then it's going to be a little inconvenience and you're going to actually have to hold the pump. So you want to move the tire towards the bottom. Now again, if this is, if you're inflating something else or maybe a bicycle tire, you can maneuver it very easily, or basketball. But I probably wish that extension was a little longer, and then that way you could always lay it on the ground and just go. So that's what I did. So let's turn it on, guys. We got that nice blue LED. And we can see it's at 25.2. It tells you on there once it's plugged in, which is nice. Let's see, can we get a better view? Okay, so now we want to have it set PSI 30. That's the number I picked. And push in the button at the bottom here. And now you can see it's charging. So now it's at 28.2. I guess it's just going to fluctuate. 3, 2. So it will take some time, guys, but it will go all the way up to 30, and then it will auto shut off. And that's about it, guys. It's a waiting game. I don't want to keep you on here waiting forever, but it will go up. It will fill it up, and I think that's about it. Okay, guys, I decided to pause it for a second and show you a little more. So you can see right now it's at 29.2. So I mean, it's pretty quick. If the tire was all the way at the bottom, it would fill it up in 10 minutes. We only needed about 4 pounds per square inch, so it's not going to take that long. We're almost at 30. So I'm just going to talk you through until it gets to 30. It's still doing its job. I can just lay it on the ground. And hopefully this, comes in handy, guys. This is a safety thing, an emergency thing. Give it to the wife, give it to the kids, put it in their trunk. And we'll put a link in the description where you guys can purchase below on JoyTutus website directly. And they're going to give me a promo code, which I'll also put in the description so I can save you guys some bucks. So as you can see, we're at 29.9. Supposed to do the auto shut off at 30. So let's see if it actually does. There you go, guys. It actually stopped. Now it'll go down if I leave it plugged in, I guess. But it did go to 30, and that's what we wanted. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. Great for any kind of car, automobile. And like I said, I demonstrated it on my Mustang. So enjoy the rest of your day, night. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. And take it easy. See you later, alligators.